be good at school, my dear.
The wife cat, after taking the kitten to school, was shocked when she returned home and saw her husband embracing the nanny. Oh no! The cat husband beat his wife and put her in the trunk of his car to get rid of the evidence.
Hello, Dad. I'm home from school.
The kitten was very shocked and angry when he heard his father say that from now on the nanny would be his mother.
Mom, where are you?
The kitten ran for a long time in the rain. Luckily, it finally found its mother cat.
Police, I want to report a crime.
Catch the two evil cats. Go, go.